Adding photos to your timeline is really simple. Make sure you've clicked on your Photos tab up in your library. Choose where you're going to locate your photos. Once you've found the photo that you like, you just click on it and it automatically uploads to your timeline. If you click on the photo you just added, you'll notice that there's not too many options down at the bottom. The only action that you can do is duplicate. You can also add a title or a filter. We'll talk about those shortly. One really cool thing that you can do with your photos is what they call the Ken Burns effect. If you click on your photo, you'll see in the preview screen that 3 buttons appear. The Ken Burns effect, which we've talked about previously, allows your photo to not just be still but to move throughout the frame. If you don't want your picture to move, you can just click where it says Ken Burns Enable and it will disable that. But if you do want your picture to move, make sure it says Ken Burns Enable. You can then adjust the clip. The top arrow pointing to the left allows you to pinch and move where you want your picture to start. So you can zoom in with your fingers or zoom out with your fingers and then move it around as well. If you click on the arrow pointing to the right, that will be your ending position. So you can click on that and then move your picture around with your fingers once again. You can preview the picture just by going to the beginning of that clip and hitting play. When you download your picture to your timeline, it automatically adjusts it for the time. Usually it gives you about 5 seconds. You can make that clip last shorter or longer by clicking on it and then pulling the yellow bars left or right.